everyone, I'm Ben. For today we're about one of another creature God makes. They are birds. Look at the picture. There are many kinds of birds. Well, now we're going to learn about birds. So what is this bird? I know its name is called a blue jay. Well, blue jay is different to the other birds. When it sings and says, we just hear it. It's sound we can see. No, it sounds just beep, beep, beep. And what do you see? I see this thing here. That picking this tree. The part of the tree up here down so it can live. That goes the inside at the top. And what is this its name? Well, I know it. It's called a red-headed woodpecker. It has a red head and it has a white and black body, and its wing is black and white too. And it has strong pecker that God made. Woodpecker ants. Well, woodpeckers don't eat birds. They just eat roots of a tree. That's called pecking. And when you go up the dogs and you bay, you can hear somebody nailing a nail. And it's Mr. Dad has a hammer to nail that nail. Then I go out the playground house in the night time. It was a woodpecker. Right as the woodpecker. And then I say outside the playground house. Right as the woodpecker. Pecking. And I know this bird is called a goldfish because it's yellow and white and black, and its head is black. Well, its nose is white. And I can't see its mouth. And I can't see its mouth because its mouth is so small. I can't even see it. The mouth of the bird is called the beak. But I can't see the beak of this bird. It's so small. I can't even see it because it's so tiny. Yeah, so small like this. What is that bird? It's called a chickadee. The chickadee says own name. Chickadee goes chickadee, chickadee. The blue jay says chick. The blue jay don't say. The blue jay says beep beep beep. And mommy. And what is the mommy one? Not red. What is its color? Brown. Yes, it is brown. And I see numbers. That's next. And what is its name? It's called. And it is. And its color is orange and white. Well, it's coming of looks like a blue jay. Is it kind looks like a blue jay? No, it's just orange and this color, and this big is devil. So what is name called? It's called a south. It's called a south bird because the law on the map. On my map that I have one map. It's called and the note on it is called the note on it is called the north. I'm thinking about a bird that has wings, but they can't fly. And what is that bird? That they are called ostrich. Ostrich. Well, ostrich has wings too, but ostrich can't fly. And because you know we talk about early, ostrich can't fly because they run very fast when their wings catch the wind, so they can run very fast with their wings. I'm thinking about a bird that has two wings that can't fly, and their wings are called flappers, and they can swim. What are they called? They are called because it swim very good with those wings that go flappers. There's no penguins in this picture, but I say it for good, so it can be very fun to say about it. I am no flying animal that got wings, and its tummy is white, and its outside is black. What is that animal called?
Is it a penguin?
Is it an ostrich? No! It's called a penguin. And the penguin's wings are called flappers. It can swim with those flappers. It cannot fly. It can swim. And it can also dive under the water to swim to find some food like fish. Like the north, because when I say the north must be in our map, part of my map, but I don't have a medal. But I don't have one that helps us where I need to go, like summer or the colder. I think the summer. I think my map that has the north, that was the North Pole and the South Pole can help me. Chicken also are birds. Having and they have wing open, walk by itself, and let's go. And baby check. the chair.